Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Sabir and you are watching Park Entertainer. Today I am going to show you how to set your name in the taskbar. For this, create a new folder and type the name whatever you want to write on your taskbar. I want to write Samir Marri. Just enter it. After that, go to taskbar, right click and just lock the taskbar. After that, again right click, go to toolbar and in new toolbar, click on desktop. In the last you will find your folder, just click on it and select folder. Then just drag wherever you want to set it. After that, just again tick on the lock the taskbar. After that, just delete the folder. Will not make any changes. Okay, so here is your name. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel for more entertainment and informative videos. Allah.